to show you how to pipe a Anemone Dahlia, which is actually called, can be called a powder puff dahlia. So the tips I'm going to use is a 125, which is this tip, a number 54, which has got like a cross on the top of it, so it's like a cross, so it's number 54, and then the 349, it's a small leaf tip, just right at the end of that, as you can see, and the 1A, which is a or 2A, sorry, which is a large round nozzle. The colours I've used are Tangerine by Sugarflair, and I've also used the Progel Olive Green for the green. Right, so we use a frozen cupcake, we flat ice the top of it. It's like a crumb coat to stop any bits getting in your pipe tip, and it's always best to use a frozen cupcake as it helps the adhesion of the buttercream. Now we're going to get a small cocktail stick. These flowers normally have roughly about 7 to 8 petals, so we're going to put a cross there, there. So it's like a triangle. It's just as a guide. You don't have to stick to it. We're going to take what I've done. I've made obviously with the tangerine a darker one. Then I made a bit of a lighter one. It does look a bit yellowy on the video, but it is like a tangerine orange colour, and that's the same as the one in that bag. So when you've mixed up that one, get some just normal plain buttercream, take out some of the buttercream from this one and mix it into that, just to give it a lighter tinge. Right, so we're going to start here at 12 o'clock. We want the fat end down, and we're going to do teardrop shape, and we're going to go up, round and down. So it's up, round and down. Use that as your centre of your petal, if you can. Obviously mine are a little bit out and down. Make some nice big teardrop shapes and down. It's basically what you did with the anemone in one of my tutorials. Up and down, up and down. We could go over the top of these just to give them extra lift, if you wanted to. I might go over the top just to make it look a bit more fuller, so it's more lifted off the cupcake. So we just go over the top. To do that, you just follow that one around. Just gives it a bit more height for the petals. Around. And again. Around. Nice big teardrops. And down. Just makes it look like not as flat on the cupcake. I'm going to squeeze one in there, like so. So there you should have your petals. Now we're going to take the 2A, the large round nozzle, which is this one, and in the centre we're going to do a little blob. That's all we need of the green, really. And then we're going to take our leaf tip. What we're going to do is we're actually going to now start putting some of these, just light pressure, bringing like little tiny, dragging it upwards. Keep the point of the leaf tip towards the cupcake, so it's like a bird's beak, so it's like that. So the point has to go towards cupcake. Just keep going round with this now. We're going to build the centre up like it's an opening flower. Don't worry about these gaps because these are going to be hidden. And as you come up, just bring it up a little bit more out. So come up and just, oh, it doesn't matter if you get long ones. No flowers are perfect. Just keep coming straight up. And I'm going to build this out. As if you've seen a powder puff dahlia, they're quite bushy in the middle, for want of a better word. And this is the only way I could have my interpretation of it. Come out. I want some of these to be now standing. So keep coming up. So you're getting that nice middle and like it's opened up the flower. I don't know what colour it looks, but believe me, it's a tangerine colour, whether it looks yellow or not. It's not. There we go. So you've got a nice bushy centre, like it's opening, like so. Now we're going to take this cross tip, this 54. It's got a lighter colour in here. It's quite two-tone, these flowers. This now looks as though it's going to be white when it comes out, but it's actually not. And we're going to go round that centre, just pulling up gently. Even slight pressure, pulling up. So this is all like standing up. Just continue round. Around. And we're just going to fill this out a bit now. We're just going to go round and round. As you can see, those little gaps are now filling in. We need to fill it out. Oops. Pull that one off. We're coming out with it. Just slight pressure. You don't have to squeeze too hard, otherwise you'll end up getting a great big blob like I've just done. So it fills up and gives you this pretty bushy middle, like so. I'll just wipe the end of my tip and put a few more in. Now these flowers come in all different colours. They come two-toned, they come in pinks. I just thought I'd do the tangerine one. It's actually called tangerine blush, I think, this variety of flower. So as you can see, that's made it all nice and like, and it's frilly looking in the centre. Doesn't have to be an even circle. So there you go. How pretty is that? And that is a powder puff dahlia, my version anyway. Thank you for watching. If you like my content, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, leave a comment. It helps to build my channel. Thank you very much for subscribing. If you are a returning subscriber, I do appreciate it. And hope to bring you lots more content. Thank you once again.